Hi friends, welcome to Market Analysis channel. On this chart, I'll be analyzing Hook. Hook has been gaining support for the past few sections and the volume has been interesting, showing institutional traders holding tight, not selling their position despite the retracement. Let me get into this analysis in detail. Beginning of the year, Hook started a good run and the uptrend keeps going until it rises up to around 4.1. When Hook get to 4.1, it retraces and it falls towards 1.4780. That's our 1.1, our support zone. Hook gained support at 1.4780, then it traded towards the 50-day moving average line. It couldn't break through the 50-day moving average line, then it reversed back to point 2. At point 2, Hook is gaining support because point 2 is the new support zone and is not as lower as point 1. So it means point 2 is higher than point 1. Hook is rising gradually. From point 2, Hook broke above the 50-day moving average and it rise to 2.5400. From 2.5400, Hook came back and is now on the 50-day moving average. As it's on the 50-day moving average, is finding support at the 50-day moving average. Let me analyze the price behavior so you can see what is happening in Hook. This is the top price, 2.5400. When Hook gets to 2.5400, a reversal bar occur and the price dropped. The next bar is a tight range bar and the volume is less than the 50-day average volume. That tells us there is no much activity in Hook. The following bar is around the 50-day average volume and the bar is huge. When the volume is less, it tells us not to worry. The institutional traders are holding. When the volume is high, that is when we need to worry and the price is dropping. The following week, the volume was less and the range of the week is lesser than the prior week. That shows there is no much activity happening. Weak holders are the ones selling. The novice and the weak traders, they are the ones selling their Hook. The institutional traders hold tight. For next week, the volume is above the average volume significantly and the bar closes around the same price that Hook closes on the prior bar. The bar is also an outside bar. That is a support indication. It's a support bar. It's telling us that there is volume but price stop going down. That shows institutional traders are absorbing the coin of the weak holders. Then the next week, the price closes towards the top of the range. It closes above the 50-day average line, but the volume was less. It's telling us the price rise, but the volume is not there to support the move. The next week, the volume was less and the price was inside the prior week. So it's not having any much activity. The institutional traders are holding tight and they are on the sideline watching the next line of action. The next week, it's also an inside bar, a tight range, and the bar continues to train range. So it's telling us no much activity is going. Institutional traders are sitting on the sidelines and watching Hook on the next move. The following bar closes towards the top of the range and the volume is less. So no much activity, they are still on the sideline. Then this particular bar, the volume closed at the average volume, and the bar is an outside bar. The bar closed above the 50-day and our 21-day exponential moving average. It closes above the 50% range of the bar. This is telling us that institutional traders have started coming into a hook because the price is on the average volume and the price is closing towards the top of the range. Our current bar, it's closing towards its range, is above the 50-day average. It has rise beyond the support level and the volume is still active. Here is our decision. We will be waiting for this bar to close up significantly towards the top of its range, and hopefully there could be a good volume from the downside to support it. So we expect hook to reverse from this particular point and go back to its prior high at 2.5400. When hook rise to 2.5400, from that particular area, hook will break out and it can continue its upward direction. But as of now, the institutional traders are holding tight. The amateur and the weak holders are the ones selling their coin. So you can still hold tight and expect hook to continue its upward trend. When you see a nice round price, the way it's behaving on the support level is telling us that accumulation is occurring and big traders are on the sidelines absorbing the weak holders and putting in their position gradually. So if this analysis really help you, subscribe to my channel and comment so I can give you more analysis and I can answer most of your questions. Like the video. Thank you.